Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial form validation using JavaScript. In this tutorial we'll see how we can check the length of the information given by the user in the input field. In the last tutorial we have learned how we can check that the input field is empty or it has some value. If the field is empty, we'll alert the user. This is the code that we have written in the last tutorial, which checks for the empty input field. In the same code we'll add another condition which checks the length of the information. We want the name should be at least of 5 characters, otherwise the name will be invalid and will alert the user. To check that, we'll use if statement, insert another if statement below the first if statement, else if my value dot length. The length property gives the number of characters that have entered in the input field. It must be at least 5 characters. To check that, otherwise we'll alert the user. So for this condition we'll see that it is less than 5 character or it is greater than 5 characters. If it is less than 5 characters, then it is invalid name and will alert the user. And if it is greater than of 5 characters, then it is a valid name and will accept it. Now if the name is of less than 5 characters, then we'll alert the user with the message alert the name must be of at least 5 characters. Save. Let's see what happens now. Refresh the page. So here I have not connected to the internet. Let us connect to the internet first, as I am using here the Bootstrap CDN. Yeah, I have back my input element. So first it is empty, so please enter your name. Then the name must be at least of 5 characters, otherwise here I have entered 4 characters, so it will show the error. Name must be of at least 5 characters. Okay. Raise. So as the name is of 6 characters, then it is accepted by the script. I want to show you a thing that can happen in this script. If you enter 5 spaces in the field, then the script will consider it as 5 characters. See what happens now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let's remove the focus from the field, and as you can see, the error message is not displayed because the spaces are considered as characters. Now to solve this problem, we'll use a JavaScript function called trim, which removes the unnecessary spaces from the string, and it will give the a valid string. So first we'll process the variable with the trim function, and then we'll save it again. My value is equal to my value dot trim. Now this function, it removes the extra spaces from this string and it again save it to the same variable. Now with this one line we can overcome the problem that can happen. Let's see it again. Refresh the page. Now if I enter 5 spaces here, then as you can see, the please enter your name, because it is considered as a empty string. Okay, now I'll show you again. If I make it as a comment here and refresh the page, and again I enter 5 spaces here, then what happens? See, the error message is not displayed. So we have to process the value with the trim function. Save. Refresh the page. Now if the field is empty, then the message will be shown, please enter your name. If the name is of less than 5 characters, then the message will be displayed, name must be of at least 5 characters. And if the field only contains spaces, then the trim function removes these spaces and is considered as an empty string, please enter your name. So the user must enter its true or valid name, as my name is Rais. So it is a valid name and the script accepts the name. Now this way we can validate the text inputs. In the next tutorial I'll show you how we can validate the email addresses using JavaScript. For now we'll leave the tutorial at this point. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also visit my site webtutor99.com, and please give a thumbs up to the videos if you like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you. We'll meet in the next tutorial.